But boy, what type of shoes them is?
These right here, these
Yeah.
Air Force Ones, the new ones.
Oh, they're the new J?
Yeah, they half the price though. You know what I'm
Oh, okay. What,
saying? Yeah, steel toe, kick a hole with that.
Yeah.
Even a nigga.
Where you getting from? $5 below?
Shit, I got it from Mark Wall. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
Mark Wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, new spot they got going on over there.
Them look like the J Harlow shoes.
Yeah.
J Harlow. Oh, yeah. Yeah. J Harlow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
That nigga hit the corner.
Yeah.
Hey man, I want one of them mashed potato sandwiches, my nigga. We can't eat nothing. You know what I'm saying? They done fucked up. Niggas is scam artists within.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? They gonna be a scam artist within. How am I supposed to trust you?
Hey, Lil Dirt said he come to Popeyes.
Who did?
Lil Dirt.
Lil Dirt?
Yeah.
Tell the nigga I hope he come clean. You know what I'm saying? He burned the motherfucker last time.
Yeah.
You heard me?
They was wiping them things. Oh, whip. Oh, wipe. Oh. Who can wash dishes fast for him? Yeah.
I don't want to be
Hey, we got a wash this dishes challenge. Wash this dishes challenge right now. Who can wash dishes faster than him? Then it's going viral. Yeah. Ooh, that boy put a Bruce Lee. That boy got that Bruce Lee watch. Yeah.
You know? We got it just like that.
Okay. Yeah.